All right, I'm going to talk about some very simple number formatting in PHP. There's a lot you can do with formatting, but I just want to show a very simple example and a couple ways you can go about doing it. So we've got this number here, 33.5. So we're going to print it out. So I just got an echo statement there. And when we print it, it prints the number. But suppose we wanted, maybe that was a dollar amount, and that was the total that they owed, and we don't want to print 33.5, we want to print 3350. So that's what I'm going to show you, is just how to set the decimal places, basically. It's a very simple function. It's a built-in PHP function. It's all lowercase. It's number underscore format. And then inside, where it's going to be followed by parentheses. So that's the function. And again, this is just setting decimal places. That's all I'm really going to cover in this video. Number underscore format, all lowercase, all together, no spaces. Inside the parentheses, you can go two things. The number you're trying to format, so in that case, it's my variable that I call num1, comma, space, and the number of decimals. So inside the parentheses, I've got my value, which is num1, comma, space, and the second thing you're putting in there represents the number of decimals. So this should print out that same thing, but with two decimal places. And again, this could be anything, right? This could be 144.324 or whatever I just typed. And again, it's going to take whatever's here. First time it was a variable, and it's going to format it to do two decimal places. So notice instead of printing out all three, it just printed out two of them. Or if we wanted to, for some reason, to print out 4 decimal places because it was scientific or something, we could do that. Right, so this could be num1. And this, again, this number is just going to represent how many decimals it's going to display when we print it out. So you probably wouldn't want to do that for money, but you might want to do it for other reasons. Just to show you a different use of that, I'm putting it directly in an echo statement, but there's other ways to do it. I'll show you what I mean. What we could do instead of, if we wanted to print out num1 here, but it's not the decimal places we want, we could do this. We could say num1 equals number format. So we could do it this way instead of putting it directly in a echo statement. Let's see if that works, and then we'll talk about that just real quick. Same difference as far as what we see, but instead of putting this number format function directly in an echo statement, what I've done here is I said, okay, take num1, applying the number format to 2 decimals, and assign that as the new value for num1, and then when we print it, it'll already be formatted that way. So whichever way you want to use it, we're using the exact same function with the exact same syntax, we're just using it in a different way.